Beans are diabetes superfood. American Diabetes Association advises people with diabetes add dried beans or no sodium canned beans to several meals each week. Beans are an excellent, affordable source of protein, fiber, and minerals. Adding beans to a meal can help people keep their blood sugar levels stable and help keep the body healthy. Beans are complex carbohydrates. The body digests this form of carbohydrates more slowly than other carbohydrates, helping to keep blood sugar levels stable for longer. But baked beans may contain more carbohydrates. Cans of baked bean can also contain lots of added sugar, so check the label before buying. Beans are excellent source of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for body tissue growth and repair. High protein food can help people feel full for longer, reducing the risk of overeating and obesity. Beans are nutrient rich, containing vitamins and minerals with little or no trans fat, salt, and cholesterol. This is one of the reasons why beans are so good at lowering people's risk of disease. So this is some information about beans. Like our channel for this type of video. Keep sporting, stay healthy.